Hola, hola, estudiantes de kindergarten. Este video es para ambas clases bilingües, los niños de KC y los niños de KD. Hello, hello, kindergarten students. This video is for our bilingual classes KC and KD. This is Miss Cruz giving you your math lesson today. All right. Today is Wednesday, April 15. All right. And the weather, we have a beautiful day today. It's sunny, even though it's cold, but we have a sunny day. Welcome to today's lesson. We're gonna be discussing or reviewing the concept of coins. So let's review coins with this video really quickly, and then we'll talk about descriptions and traits and everything on two of the coins in this video.
And we jangle, you see us all around, in a piggy bank or pocket, or even on the ground. We come in different sizes, we do not look the same. I wonder if you know each of the four of us by name. Four of us by name. I'm a President Lincoln penny, a coin that is worth 1 cent. When you save a lot of us, together we can be well spent. I'm a shiny 5-cent nickel. President Jefferson is who you see. If you give someone 5 pennies, you'll get back 1 of me. We jingle and we jangle, you see us all around, in a piggy bank or pocket, or even on the ground. We come in different sizes, we do not look the same. I wonder if you know each of the four of us by name. I'm a very thin little dime with President Roosevelt's face. If you have 2 nickels or 10 pennies, then they can take my place.
I'm a shiny George Washington quarter, the largest coin of the 4. I equal 1 nickel and 2 dimes, worth 25 cents at the store.
We jingle and we jangle, you see us all around, in a piggy bank or pocket, or even on the ground. We come in different sizes, we do not look the same. I wonder if you know each of the four of us by name. We jingle and we jangle, watch for us all around. Sometimes we are lost, but we are also often found. Now you know each coin by name, by value, and by face. Make sure to save us up and keep us in a safe place. Keep us in a safe place.
Very good. All right, so we are in this video we saw the 4 coins that we've been learning in class: pennies, nickels, dimes, and quarters. Today we're going to review nickels and pennies. All right, and we're going to start with the pennies. All right, is this brown or bronze color a coin? All right, and in the head or the front side of the coin, we find the President Lincoln's face. Okay, that face right here, this is a picture of President Lincoln, right? And on the back side of the coin, or which we call tails, you can see the Lincoln Memorial Monument. Okay. Some pennies have a different picture on the back. We call these variations, and more often you can see them also with a shield, this shape of a shield on the back. All right. And again, what's the value of the penny? Do you remember? That's right, 1 cent. Awesome, awesome. Again, this what coin is this? This is the penny. Very good. We're gonna review now the nickels. Now in the nickels, we find a different president's face, right? Remember what president is that? It's President Jefferson. Good job. And on the back or the tail of the coin, we find the Monticello building or Monticello building. Okay, now this coin is different from the penny because of the color, pretty much, right? It's color gray or silver, and it's also different because it has a different value. Do you remember what's the value of the nickel? It's 5 cents. Good job. Now we also can find variations on the nickel. For example, in the face of the President Jefferson, it's gonna be the same president on that coin, but the face is like in a different, it's looking like in a different direction. So you can see variations on all the different coins. All right, but this is the one at the top is the most common that you see around. All right, and like we said, the nickels are worth 5 cents. All right, this week you had an assignment where each day you're gonna draw each day the different coins. Yesterday you draw the penny. All right, and you're gonna create your own drawing of the coin, and you're gonna describe it in your picture. All right, you're gonna tell me which president is on the head of the coin, and what can you see on the tail or the back of the coin, and also the value as well as the name of that coin. Okay, in your picture, and you're gonna send that picture to your teacher. All right, KD is gonna send that picture to me through Google Classroom, and Case is gonna send it through Class Dojo to Miss Carrillo, which is the teacher that is receiving your works during these weeks. Right? Here's another example. Now this is the picture of the nickel. I want you to create your own picture, all right, describing the coin. Now today you're supposed to submit the nickel, this one that we have here in the picture, the nickel, the 5 cent coin. All right, so I want you to review this video, review the song, that song that we just sang, which is one of our favorites in the class. Review it, and then find a nickel at home, find it, ask your mommy for one, and then you're gonna look very carefully to all the details that you see in that nickel, and I want you to create your own picture. All right.